Hey YouTube fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we have another great recipe, you guys. Come on in the kitchen. So guys, we have this green beans and potato recipe, you guys. Now, there's a twist to this recipe because I never would have thought to create this. So, what we have is our crock pot already warmed up. Yes, it's hot to the tea, okay? So, I have my water already warming, which I have probably 25% of water in this crock pot, you guys. So, we have some green beans and white potatoes. Now, yes, this is a budget meal. The green beans was fresh, and I caught them for $1.65 to $1.69. And I'm going to feed my family with this recipe. So, it's a green bean and potato recipe, you guys. So let me show you. We have some chopped bacon that I'm going to use in this recipe. Some chopped bacon. Now, the twist to this recipe is we're going to use brown butter roasted potatoes, you guys. Brown butter roasted potatoes. We're going to use that in this recipe, you guys. So first of all, we want to start our recipe off because they definitely is going to be close to, let me put this away, the plates right here. Okay, so we're going to start off our recipe with fresh cut green beans, right? And we're just going to pour them over in this crock pot. We want to make that our first layer. Yes, my hands are clean. Okay, so now since the potatoes are actually pre-did, we're going to make that our top layer. So we're just going to put this bacon right on in here, right? Gonna put this on in here, and we're going to make sure that we cook this for at least 3.5 hours, because we're not going to disturb our recipe. We have some onions. We're going to put some onions in there. You can use whatever onion you want, right? Whatever bacon you want, right? Now we have a spoon, well, you know, cooking spoon full of oil, and we're just going to put that right in there. Now, I know some of y'all say, well, why you use the oil? Because I want a southern taste, okay? I want a southern taste. So, we're going to do that. Now, we're going to put a layer of seasoning. So, we have some soul food seasoning, right? We got some soul food seasoning. And we're just going to put it right on here. Just like that. Just like that. Use whatever seasoning around in your house that you prefer. But we need a little soul food, okay? And we're going to use a little black pepper, guys. Just like that. We're going to use some garlic, because this is garlic, right? But we're going to use a little more garlic. A little more. Now, I'm using this pack because we got so much garlic around here, y'all. I'll be around here creating some stuff, okay? And let me go ahead and open up these potatoes. Okay, so we have opened up our potatoes. Now, in this potato package, right? I done tore it all up. But anywho, I like the size of the potato. You have red potatoes and you have yellow potatoes. You guys, I'm thinking this is going to be terrific. Y'all see that? My trigger thumb. Okay, we're going to put these potatoes right on top. I thought they was pre-cooked, but no, they're not. No, they're not. They're microwavable, so that tell you they can cook fast, okay? But anywho, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. Now, it came with the little seasoning pack, right? And it's supposed to be, you hear what I said? Supposed to be brown butter garlic, right? So, it has, I guess it has dry milk, okay? But anywho, no one is allergic to that around here. But we're going to use the season pack. Just like so. Let me cut it open. Y'all, I just be around here. I'm trying to get this video did for the little one. Get up, okay? Y'all, hopefully y'all understand. But anywho, we're going to sprinkle the seasoning right on over it. We're going to sprinkle that seasoning right on over it. Now, I don't never follow instructions on packs. But I say, you know what? We're going to go ahead and we're going to throw this in the crock pot. And we're going to make us a meal. Yes, we are. And we're going to feed everyone in the house. And then spread the word. Okay, so now I'm going to let this cover. And I'm going to let it cook for 3 hours. So guys, we are back. And as you see, all the goodness of the steam is right in there, you guys. Hey, like I say, you guys, before I forget, like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Yes. Yes. Look at that right there. Y'all hear that sizzle? Oh, my goodness. Woo, that's hot. That's hot. It almost got you, girl. Okay, it almost got you, girl. So, as you guys can see, the seasoning on here. Oh, my goodness. I added just enough water. And we're going to give this a light stir. Look at these green beans. Now, I put these on at 10 a.m. in the morning. And it is currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And as you see, we have a delicious crock pot of green beans, white potatoes with some onions. You guys, look at that right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at all of this flavor. Okay, now we're going to go in because I want to test my potatoes. Let me get a fork and show you guys. This is a delicious garlic. Look there. Look at there. I want to break it. Got my brace on. Okay, let's just see how smooth that is. See, I have my brace on, you guys. But anywho, I'm going to dip it because I want to taste this potato. Now this, like I said, you guys, are garlic roast potatoes. Oh boy. Yeah. Ooh, that was hot. But you get that garlic taste. You get the goodness from a green, I was finna say green bean, but we finna go in here for that taste as well. Yes. You guys, you get the garlic taste, you get the onion. I mean, it's just a mouth full of goodness. Yes, you guys. Perfect bite. Perfect bite, you guys. So I am really done with this recipe. I'm just going to turn it down on medium. I'm going to turn it down on low heat. Because this recipe is done and I got the rest of the dinner that I have to cook. So yes, this will make a great dinner idea. It's an amazing recipe, you guys. And I promise you, it's the best recipe you could put on your table. Especially during the holiday season. So until then, you guys, I'll see you later when I come back with another amazing video. You guys, try this green bean recipe out. What's there to lose? See you on the next video. Bye-bye.